Okay, so in order to solve this problem, I'll show you guys two methods. Like, yeah, the first method will be discussed in this video, and the second method I'll make a separate video on it because that method involves the use of pointers, and this method is a simpler method. Like, it involves the use of storage class, which is simple. Like, well, the pointer method is also quite simple, but it involves the use of pointers, and if you don't know what are pointers in C programming language, then you should probably go for this method. And if you know what are pointers in C, then you can check out the second video as well. So without wasting time, let me just create a new folder, new file over here, add1.c. let's write our usual hash in. Okay, it's coming. So why should I type the entire thing? I should just tab it. It's stio.h. let's declare the void function first. Oh, that's okay. I'm really sorry for my bad typing. Enter two numbers. Use \n so that it goes to the new line. Right, now we will write the scanf function. Scanf, like scanf %d. Since we are taking two numbers as input, &a, &b. So a and b will be our two numbers. So let me just declare it first, else C will just throw me a syntax error. Int a comma b. Right, let's now call the add function, like the add method or whatever you prefer to say. Now you will just scream about saying, where is this add method? Like, I haven't yet declared it. So according to the question, I should declare it void, not void main. I should declare it like void add int a int b, and write c equals a plus b. That's it. It's quite simple. Now, where is this variable called c? Well, c is actually a global variable. I'll declare c equals 0 over here, and int, not itn. So int c equals 0. So let me explain what. Okay, let me first complete the entire program. Printf, the sum is %d, like this. Yes, it's done. So basically what it does is this add function takes two parameters a and b and just adds them up and stores them in a variable called c. C is a global variable, so you can make changes in it without the compiler saying you are doing a syntax error or something like that. So that's it, and the value of c will be retained throughout the entire program. That is, the scope of the variable c will be throughout the entire program because it's a global variable, so you can use it anywhere within any function you like. So, and I declare and I call in the add function over here, add a b. It takes two parameters, and that's it. The addition is done. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the pointer method, then please comment down. I would like to make a video on that as well. So that's it for today. Bye.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm really sorry. I forgot to show you the output. The entire program is same. Please don't spam that I have changed the program. You can just check the entire program is same. I just forgot to just show you the output. Let me just open up the terminal. Okay, so let me just clear up the screen and let's. Okay, I haven't yet saved the program, right? It should give me an error. Let's see. Add1.c. Yeah, I told you I haven't yet saved the program, so it gave me an error. So Ctrl+S saves the entire program. Let me go to. Okay, I'll use keyboard shortcuts instead. Clear up the screen. Let's compile the program. Add1.c. Let's run it. Okay, enter the two numbers. Like, let me give 3 and 6 as input, and we can see that the sum is 9. So it's done. We can give any input of our choice, like let's say 9 and 12, so it will give us 21. So it's working. It's perfectly working. Fine. That's it.